Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be a little holiday, a little baking, nothing fancy. We're making some peanut butter cookies and some brownies, but I want to do it in the midst of my friends so that they can share the food with me and the joy. I'm with Stephanie. We're gonna currently head over to our other friend's apartment, so we're gonna be baking and cooking in there. But I wanted to open up the vlog, so happy Vlogmas Day 15. If you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love, and I would love if you guys would do me a huge favor and subscribe down below and join the fam. We're super chill and fun over here, and I feel like you guys are gonna have a great time. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I have peanut butter cookies and I have a chewy fudge brownie, and we're gonna make both of these. I have some mixing bowls, spoon. We got the ingredient. Only other thing we needed was eggs and some oil, and then we have these two cute little pans. We're gonna put them in. So I'm gonna start mixing these, and I'm gonna show you guys me doing that. So I have put the cookies in the oven, and now it's just time to let them bake. So I decided to make the cookies the slutty brownies instead. So I put the layer of peanut butter at the bottom, Oreos in between, and the brownies on top. Finished product. I already cut it up and took it out of the oven and let it set for a few minutes. Now we're all gonna take our pieces. Looks like you can't really see it right now, but there is an Oreo inside of there. And I'm gonna take a bite of this and let you guys see my reaction.
Bitch, I know what you
So
did.
the Oreo's right there.
I said it was at the bottom. I know what you did, bitch. And you thought you were so slick. Who said, who are you gonna tell?
I said this a while ago. You just weren't paying attention.
What did you say? You should have been like Stephanie. Girl.
I'm gonna try it.
You fine like shit. You see these curls? What are you? Yo.
Isn't it good?
Girl, I at the top. I ain't peanut butter.
Just take a bite. Just take a bite of the whole thing.
Why would you try to bamboozle me? She didn't tell you it was on the bottom.
I told you guys this. You saw me putting in the bag.
No, I didn't see you do it. You just told me you did it. So you knew. So you knew.
I wasn't sure.
You were what?
I didn't see it.
You're shameless. You were right fucking there.
I just asked you like 7 times. Are you sure there's cookie in the bottom? I said yes.
You didn't say it. I was hoping you were just like trying to trick me.
I wouldn't trick you. I wouldn't do that. Guys, it's good. It's good.
It's really soft.
I told you. You haven't had my own baking. Okay. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. I'm back in bed. Me and my friends were like there till like 2-3 a.m. I got back to my room around 2:45 a.m. and I literally just hopped straight into bed. I still have leftovers from yesterday. I have like 3 brownies left, and everyone ended up really liking them. We had some ice cream with them as well, and it was super good because they were fresh out of the oven. They're still super soft and warm, so that was nice. And then basically I came back here and chilled. Like we really didn't do nothing else for the rest of the night. We just really wanted to, I really wanted to bake cookies and just like share it with them. So that's what happened. But I don't know how long this vlog is. I'm gonna probably edit a little bit of it and see how long it is, and I'll probably continue this vlog a little bit depending on the length, but I'll come back to you guys and let you know. My camera is still dead, by the way, which is why I'm filming on my phone still. Hey y'all, so I just finished uploading Vlogmas Day 13, which was when we made the gingerbread houses. That video was so funny to rewatch the footage and put it up. So if you haven't seen yet, go watch it. But I'm about to have a little movie date with my sister. We're gonna watch a musical on Netflix called Prom, and that's pretty much gonna be the end of my night. But I decided to just continue the vlog a little bit just because I knew I didn't have enough footage. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I finished the movie date with my sister, and now I'm about to eat my dinner. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating real quick. Wow, we get adjusted to having braces. And I'm also watching a bunch of Vlogmas videos on YouTube. I have to catch up because I'm definitely several days behind on certain people's channels at this point. But real quickly, this is what we're having. We have hospital food. I'm just kidding. We have Pringles, 2 mini croissants because these are small enough like I can chew these from the side and like rip them apart. And then I have beefaroni, and then over here I just have this peach like grape drink. It's actually really good. I don't even know what it's called, but it's good. So I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm not sure what I'm doing for the rest of the night. Probably gonna chill, watch some more movies, but we'll see where the rest of the night takes us. So I just finished editing Vlogmas Day 14. It is currently uploading. By the time you're seeing this video, it's up, so go watch it if you haven't already. And I also made the thumbnail. I think this video is super funny and cute as well, so make sure you guys go check it out. Alright guys, so I tried to carry on this vlog for as long as possible, but there's literally nothing else at all for me to vlog, so I'm gonna just end it off here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Also, if you have not already, make sure to comment down below, leave me a video request, talk to me, say hey. I will try my best to respond to y'all. And also make sure to subscribe and join the fam if you have not already. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.